welcome to the add-ons. In this video, we're going to show you how to use Elementor user registration plugin. It allows you to build custom registration forms that lets visitors create accounts or update their profiles directly from your forms. Let's start with a quick demo. Here I have a registration form with fields like this. I'll fill it out. And hit submit. And just like that, a new user account is automatically created in WordPress. That user can log in right away depending on the settings we choose. Let's check the email inbox. Here's the message with the username and password to access the site. And it's not just the user who gets notified. The admin also receives an email whenever a new user registers. Let's see that email as well. So before we dive into the setup, make sure you've already installed and activated the plugin. Section 1. Creating a user registration form. Go to the page. Edit the existing one. Here is the form I created with the fields below. I have name, username, email, password as required fields. Once the form is ready, I go to Section 2, Setting up User Registration. Select the form widget. Go to the Actions after Submit panel. Add the action User Registration. Then the User Registration menu is displayed. So now we need to map the user profile fields. This means connecting your form fields to WordPress user information. Each form field generates a shortcode. All you need to do is copy that shortcode and paste it into the corresponding box. Let's do it together. Go to the username field. Copy the shortcode, paste it into the mapping box for username. Then repeat the same process for the other fields, email, password, first name and last name, and so on. Section 3. Configuring user registration settings. Next, let's look at the available options. You will see the role option. Here you can decide what role the new user should have after registration. For most cases, subscriber is the safest choice, but you can also assign them as a customer, contributor, or even administrator depending on your needs. Enable auto login. If you turn this on, the user will be logged in automatically right after registering. Enable user activation. This lets you decide whether the new account should be activated immediately or only after approval. After you turn on this user activation, the user activation method option will appear. Here you can choose either manual approval or user email. With manual approval, the admin needs to approve each new account. With user email, the user will receive a confirmation email to activate their account. You can customize the email subject and message for email activation here. The next one, send user notification. When enabled, the user automatically receives an email with their account details. Turn on Edit Template. Here you can customize the email template that gets sent to new users. Send admin notification. When this option is enabled, the site administrator will receive an email every time a new user registers on the website. Just like the user notification, the admin email can also be customized. Section 4. Custom User Matter. Now, what if you want to collect extra information beyond the default fields? That's where Custom User Matter comes in. Each meta key is paired with a meta value. Meta keys is the name of the data. Meta value is the content of the data. You will insert a shortcode from your field here. Imagine you want to store each user's date of birth. First, you need to add a new field labeled date of birth. Copy the shortcode. Now go to the Custom User Meta settings. In Meta value, paste the shortcode. In Meta key, enter date of birth. That's how you connect a custom field in your form with a user's profile in WordPress. Alright, now that we've finished customizing the settings, let's go ahead and test it out. I'll fill out the form. Submit it. Now let's check the email box. Here's the first message sent to the user. It contains the username and password to log in to the site. Since we've enabled email activation, the user also receives a confirmation email. And at the same time, the site admin also receives a notification email about the new user registration. Next, let's open the user profile in WordPress and see if our custom meta field was stored properly. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.